On the 23rd of June 2023, in Metford, New South Wales, a dramatic police chase brought an end to a 3-month manhunt for 39-year-old Maitland man, Kurt Field, who had been on the run since March 2023. I cover real Australian court cases, police investigations, location data, search warrants, and I've realised that your online footprints are now just as trackable as CCTV cameras. That's why I actually started using Surfshark for myself. Here's how I use it. When I travel, I connect to public Wi-Fi at airports. Surfshark keeps everything encrypted. I've saved money on flights by changing my virtual location when searching. Yes, cheaper flights are real. And at night, I might stream documentaries that aren't available in Australia. Just switch countries, refresh, and it works. It's like having a digital invisibility cloak when you want it. You can also use it to hide your IP, secure your data, and unblock region-locked content, all with one subscription across unlimited devices. And they've given us an exclusive deal. Go to surfshark.com/polvision or enter the code polvision at checkout to get 4 extra months added to your plan. I'll leave the link at the very top of the description and a pinned comment. Make sure you double check it before signing up. It's genuinely useful, and honestly, in this job, it just makes sense. Now, back to today's video. Field was spotted by an off-duty police officer driving a stolen vehicle at East Maitland. 000 was called, and within minutes, officers swarmed the area. Police followed him to Metford train station, where Field rammed multiple police cars, allegedly assaulting officers, and reversed at police in the car park.
Are you alright? You're right, mate?
Go.
Well, where is it now?
Hold him. Think about it. Numerous cars, it's taken off.
Are you alright? You're right, mate?
Go.
Well, where is it now?
Hold him. Think about it.
Can I get in there?
But what emerged in Newcastle District Court was a chilling history of abuse, intimidation, and violent control over a woman he was in a relationship with. The court heard Field had relentlessly abused the woman, sending repeated voicemails and text messages, threatening to kill her, bash her, and wait for her wherever she went. While a warrant was out for his arrest, Field allegedly went on a crime spree throughout June 2023, stealing fuel from multiple service stations, including in Dubbo, and using a sledgehammer to break into homes. On June 3rd, police nearly caught him, but even capsicum spray didn't stop him. Field is accused of assaulting officers and leading them on a dangerous high-speed pursuit. Even Polaire's aerial search couldn't locate him. His reign of terror finally ended on June 23rd, 2023, with the dramatic police arrest at Metford. Court outcome. Field pleaded guilty to a large number of charges, including domestic violence and assault offences, take and detain a person with intent to obtain an advantage, intimidation, police pursuit, assault police, use of an offensive weapon to prevent lawful detention, vehicle theft, dishonesty obtaining property, aggravated break and enter, aggravated dangerous driving, driving while disqualified, and damage to property. Judge Roy Ellis told the court that Field had a long criminal history across 3 states. He was jailed for 12 years, with a non-parole period of 7 years. Field will be eligible for parole in June 2030. Thank you for watching. For exclusive content and early access to public interest Australian court cases, please consider supporting Police Vision Australia on Patreon. Links are in the description.